In this video, I will show you how to restore a deleted video in Heygen. Start by going to Heygen AI's official website and log into your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Projects. This takes you to your main dashboard where all your created videos are stored. Next, look at the same left side panel and click the trash icon. This is where all your deleted projects are temporarily stored. Once you're inside the trash folder, scroll through and select the video you want to restore. On the right side of that video's preview row, you'll see a restore icon. Click that, and Heygen will immediately move the project back into your active workspace. You may get a quick confirmation message letting you know the restore was successful. When you're done, head back to your project's dashboard, and you'll find the restored video right back where it originally was, fully recovered and ready to edit or export again. Just a reminder, deleted videos stay in the trash for up to 14 days, so make sure to restore anything important before that retention window expires. And that's how to restore a deleted video in Heygen.